Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. In today's episode, we're talking about public speaking to make money. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Let's get to it. As I said, welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew, and in today's episode, we're talking about how you can make money by doing public speaking. Now, many people have this misconception that public speakers only make a little bit of money, but I can tell you right now that that's not entirely true. Some people do public speaking for free just to help with the cause or event that they're participating in. In some cases, it's to help build up their authority on whatever topic that they're speaking on. There are some people who will only charge a small fee, like $100, and then there's some people who will negotiate from a very high amount to a lower amount to ensure that their speaking fee is covering everything besides the event that they're doing. You can do public speaking at local events in your community. You could end up doing public speaking events in your state, in your country, or even internationally on a variety of different topics that you may have knowledge and experience in. One person I know of who happens to be a mentor and a friend has mentioned a few different times that when he does public speaking, that he could make quite a few $1,000s. Now, those of you who have been around my community for a while here on Consult the Blind Guy know exactly who I'm talking about. And for those who don't, my mentor and friend Pat Flynn has mentioned in his live streams and in a couple different videos that he can get paid thousands for doing a public speech. Not only is he getting paid to speak at that event, but they're also paying to cover the transportation and the food as well as the hotel room if it is an event that takes over a weekend. He could make anywhere from 20 to 30, $40,000 for a weekend for a public speaking event. One example was that he gave us in his community was that somebody asked him to speak at an event. He started the price negotiation at $40,000. By the end of the negotiation, it was whittled down to $25,000. This covered his fee for speaking at the event, which was only for 45 minutes over a span of 2 days on a Friday and on a Saturday for a 3-day event. So you figure 45 minutes each day. That's only an hour and a half. They also paid for his breakfast, lunch, and dinner during the whole weekend. They paid for the hotel room. They paid for the plane ticket to and from the event. And they also paid for the car rental for him to go from the airport to the hotel and back. $25,000 for a 3-day event that he only spoke at for 45 minutes on 2 of those 3 days. That's a fairly large amount of money to be able to make in one weekend. Not saying that everybody is going to make this amount of money for public speaking, but it is potentially something that you could build up to, is making that kind of money. So I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you have any questions, by all means, please feel free to ask them down below. And if you're interested in learning more about public speaking, head on over to consulttheblindguy.com/blog, where I have a couple articles on how you can get into public speaking, some tips, tricks, and things to consider. And there are plenty more articles on there that may interest you as well. And if you're interested, you can buy a copy of my book, Income Booster, available now. And it is packed with over 100 different ways that you could be able to make money from home and online in no time. And there is literally something there for everyone. Does not matter whether you're full-time employed, part-time employed, unemployed, disabled, or a stay-at-home parent. Until the next time, have a great day or evening, and we'll see you in the next episode.